So this will illustrate how to complete quiz 1 if you're taking this remotely at home. So the first thing you do is to download Respondus Lockdown Browser. And I'll be sending instruction on how to do this. So once this is downloaded, you're going to find this icon here on your desktop. So go ahead and double click on it. So yes. So the icon will open up and it takes you straight to Blackboard. And while on Blackboard, access your course just the way you usually do. So I'm going to click on login over here and type in our password, of course. Thank God, that is it from me. .edu, and then your username and then your password. Just access your Blackboard the normal way you do. So once you are into Blackboard, you're going to navigate to the assessment itself. So this is my view. Let me switch over. Okay, let's go to the course first. So right here you have the course and statistics is nothing down here. Let me go ahead and switch over to student view so you could see what to expect. So once you are into Blackboard, there's an assessment tab here on the left pane. Click on the assessment and then read through this instruction. It's the same instruction that you have during the quiz itself. Go ahead and click on Respondus Lockdown Browser. On the title, quiz 1 for 2022, and click on continue. All right. So once you click on continue, it's going to show you this here. It says, when you are ready to start, click this link. So go ahead and click on this link. It takes you to our course website, of course. Navigate to the course website and then scroll down to over here where you have assessment at the bottom here. So let me close this to show you the way it appears actually. So you have just this block, right? Expand the block, expand quiz 1, and you have 3 versions of the quiz here, okay? If you're taking this remotely, which is why you're getting this particular link to this video, you on the date of the quiz itself on Tuesday, the 13th, you're going to use quiz 1 remote version, okay? Permission required. You've already got the permission from Center for Educational Access. So go ahead and click on this and then go ahead and complete that quiz from this version. But everybody else is taking it in class and in person, they're going to be using quiz 1 over here. Okay, so but to enable you know how to complete the remote version, I've developed this demo quiz, right? So you're going to click on this demo quiz and complete it before you start taking the quiz itself, okay? Complete it way ahead of time would be better, maybe today actually. Okay, so it seems the demo quiz had been assessed before, so I'm just going to reset it to make sure that it behaves exactly the way you expect it to behave. So when I click on that, I'm going to reset it. Okay, so let's go back and see what you experience. So when you navigate to the quiz section, again, you're going to be taking the remote version, okay? But complete the demo quiz ahead of time to show you how to do that. So I'm going to be sending you the password for this, of course. So start quiz 1 demo. I'm going to be sending you this on email. So click on start. I give you a warning that once you get started, your time runs, it will not stop. So just be sure you click on start here when you are ready. So let's click on start. There will be 9 questions on the actual exam and the actual quiz, sorry, but for this demonstration, I'll just have 2 here. So I'm going to go ahead and answer these 2. I think this is the answer to this first one. For this one, the median, you should be able to answer all these questions by now. So, but let's go ahead for demonstration, do just the median. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 data points here. So the third and the fourth will be the median, the average of the third and the fourth. So if I look over here, 3.5 is 1, the smallest, followed by 5.3. That will be 2. Then I have 17, so that is 3. So I'm going to take the average of the third and the fourth. The fourth is 22.4. So the average of 17 and 22.4, so 17 plus 22.4 divided by 2. That gives me, I've done it before. Remember to have your calculator handy. That gives me 19.7. So I'm going to go ahead and put the answer there. Answer the rest of the question, okay, when you're completing this demo quiz, and then click on submit and end. Click on submit and end only when you are sure that you are ready to submit and end, because you can't change your answer after you've clicked OK here. So if you're not sure if this is done in error, click cancel and continue working. But if you're sure you are done, click on OK. And this ends the quiz. So right now the quiz has ended and your time has stopped running. So from now, you can take as much time as you want to complete the next task. And the next task is to upload your scratch paper. So click over here, scan your scratch paper, save it in a location of your choice. Click over here and navigate to the location where you saved your scratch paper and then upload it. Okay, so once you upload it, go ahead and click on Save Work. And you are done. Okay, so you have your score here. I'm going to be reviewing your scratch paper and your work in detail to determine your final grade, but sometimes this might actually be your final grade. So click on Exit and you're done. Okay, so if again the time stopped running before you get to the scratch paper section, uploading section. So if you were not able to upload it at the same time you completed the quiz, you can come back later in the day to click on demo quiz, and then you click on add work, and you'll be able to also attach your scratch paper after you've ended your quiz. Okay, again, remember, whenever you get to this stage, the quiz has ended and the time is not running anymore. So you can always do this anytime, the same day, of course, after the quiz. But it's preferable that you do it immediately after the quiz, okay? Make sure your scratch paper is the same as the one you used during the quiz. Don't modify it, don't change anything, because I will find out if you do, of course. So if you've uploaded your scratch paper, go ahead and click on Save Work, okay? And then that's it. And that is it. So complete this demo quiz today, Monday, okay, preferably before the end of the day. But by tomorrow, be ready to take the quiz itself, okay? You're taking it the same time as the class. That will be preferred. It runs from that time to 11 and it ends. You have like 2 hours because you have extended time permission. Okay, so do the demo quiz first to enable you be ready to be able to complete the actual quiz. All right. I'm going to stop recording, I think.